Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Untitled Chapter. I really do appreciate your wonderful support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and also for watching my wonderful recipes. Today I'm going to show you a very quick and simple DIY, which is cornstarch. Cornstarch is also known as corn flour. Cornstarch and corn flour mean the same thing. This is a very easy, or it's a common thickener used in our kitchen for thickening sauces, and sometimes we use it as a glue for gluing school projects. After watching this video, wherever you're located, you can have access to cornstarch or corn flour and use it whenever you want to use it. Keep watching, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Now, to make your simple cornstarch or corn flour, you're going to need corn. So I'll be using this white corn to make this. This looks very clean. You can use the red corn as well. So I'm going to bring the corn into a bigger bowl. After you've done that, you're going to add water to cover the corn. You're going to soak this overnight, or you can soak it for 2 days and make sure the corn is soft before you blend this. Just leave this to rest in one part of your kitchen until the next day. After leaving the corn to rest overnight, you can check it back. It has absorbed water and has swollen up a little bit, so we are not going to let this ferment completely. What we are going to do is to rinse it out with clean water. So next, I'm going to bring the corn into the blender and then add water to slightly cover this and start blending. The blender is a little bit small. You can divide the corn into two, blend one at a time, then complete the remaining after. Once you're done blending, you should have a clear and smooth consistency like this. So first of all, I'm going to strain this using this strainer. The strainer is not fine enough, so I'll still strain this the second time when I'm done. If the spatula isn't working for you, you can use your hands to do this. I think it's better. We need to add a little water to hasten this and also to allow all the starch to come out properly. If you have a cheesecloth or chiffon cloth, you can just do this just exactly the way you strain pap or coconut milk. You can decide to discard this or use it for some other thing. So right away, we are still going to strain this the second time. So I have this fine material which I use for straining pap. You can use cheesecloth or just a good strainer with tiny holes to do this. So I'm going to wrap this into two